Another day, another POV house tour. Today we're touring this house and lot for sale in Angeles City, Pampanga, near Clark and Friendship. So as you can see, very modern ang design ng house. This is your garage and your pedestrian gate. Bago tayo pumasok, pakita ko muna yung ating 2-car garage that can fit 2 big cars. And over here, you have your pocket garden. Now let's step inside. Napakalaki ng inyong wooden door, 'di ba? All the furnitures are included sa sale. Ayan, living room. Then air conditioning are also installed. This is your dining area and your kitchen na merong island counter. Installed na rin ang ating microwave. You have your stove. Maraming storage, your sink, and your 2-door refrigerator. Then outside, we have a dipping pool. Ayan. Dito kayo mag-relax ng family and friends. Over here, you have your service area that will serve you as your dirty kitchen, your laundry. This one is the staff room, and there, bathroom and shower that can also be used by the people using the pool para hindi na sila papasok. Ayan. Once again, let's admire this dipping pool. Now let's go inside. Ang ganda ng interior nito, guys. Hello. So, on this side, dito po ang inyong powder room. Then, akit na po tayo. Ang ganda rin ang light fixture nyo sa taas. We have a total of 3 bedrooms. Unahin po natin itong bedroom number 1. Ito po. Yan. You have your bed, your storage area, mga cabinets nyo, and you have an access to the balcony. Okay? Meron na rin po palang own bathroom, each room natin. So ito po yung bathroom ng bedroom number 1. Alright? Now let's go to bedroom number 2. But before that, itong hallway na to, may space ka dito for a study and may view siya ng dipping pool sa ibaba. Okay. Bedroom number 2. You have your bed and your cabinets over here. And of course, your own bathroom, shower, toilet, and sink. Hello. Now, the highlight, of course, is the master's bedroom. So, very spacious. You have a hallway going in. Then, right there is your balcony. Silipin natin later. Your bed. Your space for a study. Diba? Ang balcony. And wrap around yan. And of course, yung inyong master's bedroom na cabinets and master's bathroom. Ito po, marami kayong cabinet space here. And your shower, toilet, and sink. Ayan po. So if you're interested, feel free to contact me, Harold Olalia, 0956-590-6988. You may also like my page. And, of course, schedule your viewing now para po makita nyo in person kung gaano kaganda tong house na to. With that, thank you so much. Until next time.